I'm bringing in the recipe for this amazing spicy mushroom soup that I think you people will love it. So just watch the recipe and yeah, now I'm enjoying it. It is made from everything that is already in your kitchen, so I hope you like it and you do try it. Firstly, take some oil or ghee in a pan and then add in your chopped onion and garlic to it. Just saute it until it's translucent. Then goes in your mushroom. I'm using button mushroom over here. Just add some salt and cover it and let it cook for next 5 to 7 minutes or until it's cooked and soft. Now for some flavoring, I'm adding fresh ground pepper, some ajwain seeds. I just recommend to crush them before adding, lemon zest, red chili powder and all-purpose flour. This will just help you thicken the soup a bit. In goes your water. You can just use vegetable stock or chicken stock if you have. Add some bay leaf, some extra chili powder for the extra heat, soya sauce and sugar. Just mix it well, cover it and let it boil for next 15 to 20 minutes. Goes in your milk, and at this stage you can just get rid of the bay leaf. Adding bay leaf to any of your soup will just take it to a next level. Cover it and let it boil for the last 5 to 10 minutes. And you're done. This was a very easy recipe. So in this rainy season, everyone craves for a hot bowl of soup. So here it is, and I hope you go crazy experimenting with the flavors. And yeah, enjoy. If you recreate it, just don't forget to tag me. Yeah, if you liked it, just like, share and subscribe, and